Hi, welcome back to our Tuesday Tip series. Last week we created real-life speaking activities with AI. This week we move on to listening. Let's get started. Let's say you found a great audio clip. A podcast, a news report, or a short video. Perfect for your students. But then comes the hard part. Building a lesson around it. Writing the questions. Designing the tasks. That takes time. What if AI could get that started for you? In this episode, we will take one audio transcript and turn it into a set of listening tasks. For this example, we will use English, but the same approach works for any language you teach. Here is our example transcript. It is a short monologue about social media and information.
Every day, millions of people get their news from social media. A headline on Instagram, a short video on TikTok. It is fast and easy. But is it making us better informed or worse? The problem is that not all information on social media is true. And the way these platforms work, we often see content that matches what we already believe. We stop hearing other points of view. Being informed today means more than reading the news. It means asking, where does this come from? Is it reliable? And what am I not hearing?
Let's start with the first listen. At this stage, students just need to understand the main idea. They are not looking for details yet. This is the prompt. Here is a transcript of a short audio text for language learners. Create 3 open-ended first listen comprehension questions that check general understanding only, not specific details. Provide sample answers. Use simple, clear language appropriate for intermediate learners. Let's run it. Now look at the result. The questions are about the main ideas, not specific words or small details. This is exactly what students need for a first listen. They focus on the big picture, nothing more. First listen, done. Now, let's move to the second listen. This time, students go deeper. We want them to focus on specific information and language. A gap fill is a great choice here. Students listen to the audio again and fill in the missing words. Let's ask AI to build that. Here is the second prompt. Using the same transcript, create a second listen task. Design a gap fill exercise by removing 6 to 8 key content words from sentences taken directly from the transcript. Focus on key vocabulary or important details. Provide an answer key at the end. Let's see what happens. Within seconds, AI produces the gap fill exercise and the answer key. And if you want a different task type, no problem. Just change the instructions. You can ask for comprehension questions, a true or false activity, or other formats. The prompt is flexible. You are in control. Before we finish, here are 3 tips to make these prompts even more powerful. First, adjust the level. Add phrases like, simplify the language for novice learners, or make the questions more challenging for advanced learners. Second, mix task types. Use different formats to keep activities fresh and engaging. Third, ask for teacher notes. For example, include a short teacher's note explaining the focus of each task, or add common student errors to watch for in each activity. 2 prompts, 2 stages. First listen, big picture. Second listen, detail. That is your while listening tasks ready to go. Here's your 1-minute challenge. Find any audio transcript, paste it into an AI tool, and use today's prompts to create a first listen and second listen task. In the next episode, we'll take it one step further. We'll build a complete listening lesson with pre-listening and post-listening activities. All with AI. See you in episode 8.